Hello everyone, I'm Tim from Tim's PC, and in today's video we're going to be having a look at the ID Cooling XF-12025-ARGB Trio. This particular pack here is the white ones, not the black ones. So to start things off, I'll share my screen with you and we will have a look at the website. So here we are, the XF-12025-ARGB Trio. That's a bit of a mouthful. So it's a 3-piece with 3 fans, pulse width modulation for silent operation, synchronizes with 5-volt ARGB motherboards, internal cable controller included. So it's pretty good. So we've got anti-vibration rubbers there, high pressure air design they reckon. It's compatible with a 5-volt RGB header, so it comes with internal controllers. There's some photos of them in someone's case. And this is what the pack has. So we've got the 3 fans, we've got the, that's a fan splitter it looks like, we've got some bolts, we've got an RGB splitter, so 1 RGB to 4, so that's pretty handy. We've only got a 3-pack of fans, but we've got an extra RGB header there, so you can install these and essentially still have your RGB header free. And if you don't have RGB header, you do have an independent controller included as well. And so here's some of the specs on the fan, as well as the rated speed there. So 1500 RPM fans, that's not too bad. 12-volt DC, of course, 5-volt ARGB, and there we go. Rated power 3 watts, and there's some of the dimensions there. So that gives you a bit of a rundown of the fan. So let's go and unbox this pack and see what we actually get. Alrighty. There we go. Okay, so we've got our 3 fans, obviously. But what do we get in here? So as described, we've got our 1 to 4 RGB cable, so this will come in handy even if you don't need it for the installation of these fans, because you've got a controller. These are always handy to have. Got an independent RGB controller, so that'll just be just converting from SATA power. This will be 5-volt to 5-volt, so it's pretty simple. Doesn't have to have a big chunky converter on it. That's basically just a remote. And we've got our 3-pin there, the generic 3-pin, which is good. And we've also got a fan splitter, so 1 to 3, and this is an addressable header as well, so yeah, happy days. And we've got our 3 bags of bolts. So this has come completely as described. So I guess the only question now is, what do these actually look like? So let me just open up RGB Fusion here. Alright, so we've got a single 5-volt header there and a 4-pin fan header, so that's good. Just got our, hook our fan up. We'll hook our RGB up. So there we go. There's our fan. It looks quite nice, very bright looking. Fairly quiet fan, not hearing too much noise. Seems to be moving a reasonable amount of air onto my hand there. So I would be pretty happy with a build with these fans in them. I think they look quite nice, and at the price that they are, definitely worth picking up. So you can pick this brand of fans up for around the 5 to 10 Australian dollar mark on sites like AliExpress and Alibaba. So check it out. This is the ID Cooling XF-12025-ARGB fans. They're available in black and they're available in white. So check it out. I'll put a link in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.